Hey y'all, hey, Amanda here, and today we are filming my Petit Vour January 2022 unboxing. But before we get started on that, I did want to show you guys the earrings that came in my winter all true box. I am really quite a fan of these. They're so pretty. And I know I have that green eyeshadow from Medusa's makeup to share with you guys, but I actually have to leave the house today, and the green eyeshadow feels a little more party than I need to be done up for the grocery store, so we'll have to try that one for the next video. But I did want to share these earrings because I think they're really pretty. They're really simple, understated. I think you could dress them up, dress them down, really pretty. And those were from LaMinoJewelry.com, handmade in the US. So I am quite fond of them. I think they're very pretty and I'm happy with them. I'm so glad they came in that box. So let's go ahead and see what came in this Petit Vour box. So here's the card. Very simple, a lot simpler than most of the cards they usually send. Just a little rose design. And in this box we are getting 5 products. So that's pretty cool. We usually only get 4. First thing I'm pulling out here is from Uni, and this is the Count to Zen Rejuvenating Hand and Body Cream. So always happy to get a lotion. Let me read to you about this. This is a $9 value for 1 ounce, a fast absorbing, non-greasy, natural hand and body cream free of parabens, formaldehyde, synthetic colors, fragrances, GMOs, PABA, EDTA, and PEGs. I don't even know what all those things mean, but I guess that's a good thing. I don't know. So always happy to get a hand cream. We'll definitely use that. Next we have, this is kind of heavy. This is from French Girl, which I believe I've gotten a product from French Girl before. It was like a similar glass container of like powder that you can add into your cleanser to make it a physical exfoliant, and I actually gave that away because I just never saw myself using it. It was a lot of exfoliant. But this is the Charcoal Facial Wash Pore Refining Neroli Cleanser. So here's that. As I always say with cleansers, I don't mind getting a cleanser because I will always eventually use a cleanser. Even if I stopped getting subscription boxes right now today, I would still go through all those cleansers. So I don't mind getting cleansers. So let's see. This is a $10 value for 1 ounce. A creamy, non-foaming face and body wash. Oh, so you can use your own body too. That's cool. Formulated with sensitive skin in mind, activated charcoal, green tea extract, soothing aloe, and jojoba oil gently remove impurities and bring skin to its natural balance. So I'm curious about it. The color does kind of worry me because it does seem like it is a liquidy formula. So I'm like, if I drop this or if it falls out of my hands while I'm washing my face, is it going to stain whatever I'm wearing or my face towel or whatever? But we'll see. Interesting product. I will always be happy to get a cleanser. Next we have from Angelo Naturals. It's the Argan Oil and Shea Styling Cream for flexible hold. It says moisture rich. Now I have 2 other that are the same Angelo Naturals like hair creams, but I don't have this one, and this one seems like maybe it would be more for my hair type actually. So very interested about this. This is a $3 value for 1.7 ounces, and it says formulated with hydrating, antioxidant rich argan oil, shea butter, and cocoa seed butter. The styling cream is designed to nourish and condition hair to help eliminate frizziness and minimize the appearance of split ends. So yeah, this is definitely more made for me than I think the other ones are. Now I'm gonna use all of them. So I'm excited about that. I'm glad it wasn't just another one of the same. It's something different. Then we have from Petit History, New York, the Envy d'Azur. And I think it's a fragrance oil. It says, violet glistens while gentle rose dances in soft rain. Powdery orris is the quiet, cool whisper of Paris. Okay. Sounds fancy. But let's see, this is a $4 value for 1 milliliter. And the card says exactly what the box says, so I'm not gonna read that twice. Let's try and get this out of here and smell it. This box is like really tightly packed. My nails are too short for this. So, first of all, this is a sample. Giving this a $4 value is asinine. And I also don't like when they send these little perfumes and it's not with the sprayer top, because trying to get these like little plugs out can be really messy, and all it takes is the wrong flick of the wrist and you've spilt it everywhere. So I really don't care for these type of containers. Yeah, so the smell isn't very strong. It just, I don't even know what it smells like. I guess soft rain and violet glistening, but it doesn't really smell like if you put this on you're gonna smell it very long after putting it on. Normally I keep all fragrances and just use them up, but I think I'm gonna give this away because I just don't like the container and I don't really get a strong scent from it, so meh. And putting a $4 value on these things when they include stuff like this, honestly, it should just be a freebie. This is, who's gonna pay $4 for that little tiny vial of perfume? That's kind of asinine. And the last product is from Habit, and this is the Bright Lights Nourishing Cream Highlighter made with 75% organic ingredients, and I guess this is the color Gatsby. Here's what the box looks like. So let me read you the description. There isn't a color name listed on here, so I guess there were different color options. It says this is a $28 value, so this is the bulk of our box, because the other items were not very expensive, $9, $4, $10, and $3. It says a cream-based highlighter with a majorly moisturizing plant-based emollient blend for silky feel and skin boost illumination. I think I actually have other highlighters from this brand. No, it wasn't a highlighter I have. It is a cream blush I have from this brand. So I'm familiar with it and I do like this one. But anyway, let's go ahead and open this up in the color Gatsby. It is very hard to get this little tab out. Okay, well I had to rip the box apart because I literally just could not get it open, which is annoying. So here is the product. It's got a little blue lid and it's in the color Gatsby, and here is what it looks like. This is already worrying me as a highlighter because it is very dark. I think perhaps this is not made for my glow-in-the-dark ghostly skin tone, but let's give it a swatch. Yeah. So here it is, rubbed out a little bit. I think I'm gonna have to pass this one on. I mean, although I guess you could use that on the eye and it would be really pretty, but I mean, I've got 10 million eyeshadows already. So I'm gonna have to pass this one on. It does look gorgeous. Like, that's a beautiful color, but that's gonna look like a giant dark streak of eyeshadow across my cheek if I use it. So unfortunately I won't be able to use this, which is actually kind of annoying that they would put the entire bulk of the value in the box in a product that may or may not even work for some of the people that come in, that get the box. So I mean, that's kind of annoying value wise, but it is a very pretty product, and I do think that I'll be able to find someone who will like this very much. I'm gonna look insane if I put that on, to be honest. So as far as this box goes, there are 3 products I'm definitely going to keep and use. I feel like this shouldn't even count. This feels like a throwaway, like these little fragrance samples that are basically the size of the freebies that they throw in your bag if you went to the department store to get a fragrance. So that's kind of meh. And while this is gorgeous, it's not something I can use. So it's kind of irritating, especially given that the value of this is just a few dollars short of the 3 of these combined. So it's not the worst box, but I'm not over the moon about it. I'm gonna say this is like a C+. Yeah. Now, granted, I could see how the grade would get much higher if you could actually use the color you got. I'm guessing they probably sent a selection of various colors out to people because there's not a specific color listed on the card. So if you got one that you can use, or the one you got actually works for your skin tone and your complexion, then it'd probably sit more at like a B plus, but I'm taking it down a whole grade since the highest valued product I can't even use. So that's my review on the Petit Vour box for January. I guess I'm really striking out so far in January. Although I think the Medusa's makeup one was fun. I couldn't use that bronzer, but the bronzer itself was very nice quality. This also seems very nice quality, even though I can't use it. But yeah, so if you enjoyed the video, you can give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave them down below. If you'd like to stick around for a while, you can hit the subscribe button. Anything I'm wearing that I can find, I will link down below. And otherwise, I'll talk to you all later. Bye!